Hello students, in Mathematics Part 1, we will learn Chapter 4, Ratio and Proportion. Let's study the definition of ratio, proportion, properties of ratio, and solve practice set 4.1. Definition of ratio and proportion. The comparison of two numbers or quantities by division is known as ratio. The symbol colon is used to denote the ratio. A ratio can be written in two different ways and are read as the ratio of x to y and is written as x is to y or x upon y. Proportion is the equality of two or more ratios. For example, if one package of cookie mix results in 20 cookies, then that would be the same as to say that two packages will result in 40 cookies. Therefore, 20 upon 1 is equal to 40 upon 2. A proportion is read as A is to B as C is to D. Therefore, A upon B is equal to C upon D, where B and D are not equal to 0. Therefore, AD is equal to BC. If one number in a proportion is unknown, you can find that number by solving the proportion. Properties of ratios. Ratios of numbers A and B is written as A is to B or A upon B. A is called the predecessor, that is first term, and B is called the successor, that is second term. In the ratio of two numbers, if the second number is 100, then it is known as a percentage. The ratio remains unchanged if its terms are multiplied or divided by non-zero numbers. For example, 3 is to 4 is equal to 6 is to 8, and that is equal to 9 is to 12. Similarly, 2 is to 3 is to 5 is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 20. If k is a non-zero number, then a is to b is equal to ak is to bk, and a is to b is to c is equal to ak is to bk is to ck. The quantities taken in the ratio must be expressed in the same unit. The ratio of two quantities is unitless, that is, it has no unit. For example, the ratio of 2 kg and 300 grams is not 2 is to 300, but it is 2000 is to 300, as 2 kg is equal to 2000 grams. Therefore, the ratio is 20 is to 3. Let us solve practice set 4.1. Question number 1. From the following pairs of numbers, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to second number. Subdivision 1, 72, 60. Solution. Ratio is equal to 72 is to 60, and that is equal to 72 upon 60, and that is equal to 12 into 6 upon 12 into 5. Here 12 will get cancelled and we get 6 upon 5. Therefore, our answer is 6 is to 5. Subdivision 3, 52, 78. Solution. Ratio is equal to 52 is to 78, and that is equal to 52 upon 78, and that is equal to 26 into 2 upon 26 into 3. 26 gets cancelled and our answer is 2 upon 3, or 2 is to 3. Let us solve question number 2. Find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity. Subdivision 1, rupees 700, rupees 308. Solution. Rupees 700 is to rupees 308. That is equal to 700 upon 308, and that is equal to 28 into 25 upon 28 into 11. That is equal to 25 upon 11. and that is equal to 25:11, which is the answer. Subdivision 2, rupees 14, rupees 12.40 paise. Now rupees 14 is equal to 14 into 100, and that is equal to 1400 or 1400 paise. Rupees 12.40 paise is equal to 12 into 100 plus 40, and that is equal to 1200 plus 40, and that is equal to 1240, that is 1240 paise. Therefore rupees 14 is to rupees 12.40 paise is equal to 1400 paise is to 1240 paise, and that is equal to 1400 upon 1240, and that is equal to 140 upon 124, that is equal to 4 into 35 upon 4 into 31, and that is equal to 35 upon 31. Therefore answer is 35:31. Subdivision 4, 3 years 4 months, 5 years 8 months. Solution: 3 years 4 months is equal to 3 into 12 plus 4, and that is equal to 36 plus 4, and that is equal to 40 months. 5 years 8 months is equal to 5 into 12 plus 8, that is equal to 60 plus 8, and that is equal to 68 months. That is equal to 40 months is to 68 months, and that is equal to 40 upon 68, that is equal to 4 into 10 upon 4 into 17. Here 4 gets cancelled, and our answer is 10 upon 17, or 10:17. Let us solve question number 3. Express the following percentages as ratios in the reduced form. Subdivision 1, 75, 100. Solution: 75 is to 100, and that is equal to 75 upon 100, that is equal to 25 into 3 upon 25 into 4, and that is equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore answer is 3:4. Let us solve subdivision 3, 6.25%. Solution: that is equal to 6.25 upon 100, that is equal to 625 upon 100 into 100 after removing the decimal. This is equal to 25 into 25 upon 25 into 4 into 25 into 4. Here 25 into 25 gets cancelled, and that is equal to 1 upon 16, and that is equal to 1:16. Therefore answer is 1:16. Subdivision 4, 52, 100. Solution: this is equal to 52:100, and that is equal to 52 upon 100, and that is equal to 4 into 13 upon 4 into 25. Here 4 gets cancelled, and our answer is 13 upon 25, and that is 13:25. Subdivision 5, 0.64%. Solution: this is equal to 0.64 upon 100, and that is equal to 64 upon 100 into 100 after removing the decimal point. This is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 upon 4 into 25 into 4 into 25, and that is equal to 4 upon 625, that is equal to 4:625. Therefore answer is 4:625.